So today's job, we are fitting a brand new sump. Our one's got a crack in it at the sump plug, so we're just going to get on with that and we'll video the process. Right, so before we get started, we have just taken the car for a drive and we've noticed there's a little hissing noise. So we're going to try and diagnose that and take the EGR off.
Right, so 1, 2, and there's one at the bottom,
yeah,
which had snapped on the old EGR.
Now this has opened up a bit of a can of worms, isn't it?
Well, it will explain that hissing noise, that's for certain. I mean, look how much that EGR opened up straight away. Oh no, the gasket's in this bit. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, no.
I'll put your 316 back.
You want the wobbly bit?
Lee, do you know what? I'm actually going to take the wobbly bit.
Yeah.
Not through suggestion, it's just the way I'm sizing up the angle, it just seems roughly. I'm just not interested. Not tight.
Really loose again.
Yeah, no, that's it I'm doing.
That's what this is all of our leak then, and everyone keeps. Yeah, but that's because people don't have the right tools.
No, I mean, like I suggested, that wobbly bit.
Bit clogged up inside, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll give this a clean. And go from there.
See if we can free it up. Perfect. So this is the reason why we're replacing it. It's absolutely pissing out. So I'm just going to undo the sump bolt, drain the rest of the oil. We drained it through the dipstick, so hopefully that's enough, but I'm just going to undo the sump bolt and then I'll get back. Yeah, the level sensors taken out, they were 3 5mm Allen key heads, and the sump is still dripping out. Nice. So that's the sump off. As you can see, the plug's in better days, but the crack is there.
This is the oil pump. Should check for any slack or movement in that. That's fine. No stripped teeth. The gears are all nice at the top. That roller guide's fine. So at some point, I would say something's been done on this. Even the oil pump itself is lovely and clean, so it's had regular oil changes. Nothing in the pickup. nice and clean. So we give this a clean down, get rid of all of this. Any tiny bits of this that you don't get off can land up in there blocking it. So you would be careful when you clean this up that you get every bit of it off. Because if a bit of it breaks loose into the engine after the new cover goes on and gets sucked off into there, you starve the car of oil.
Just putting some gasket sealer on it. Famous last words, if not my first time.
Not made for a thing, baby.
Oh. Right, so the sump is on and filled up. There's no leaks whatsoever. So that is finito. Done.